sky was crying softly tonight, silver drops in the pale moonlight. Windows whisper, candles glow, and the world outside moves slow. I close my eyes and breathe you in, like a melody beneath my skin. Every thunder far away feels like peace instead of pain. And when the storm begins to fall, I don't feel afraid at all. The rain becomes a lullaby, washing every fear goodbye. I found my calm within the rain, dancing through the hurt and pain. Every drop heals something deep, singing tired hearts to sleep. In the shadows light remains, hope is flowing through my veins. When the world feels cold again, I find my calm within the rain. Streetlights blur like golden stars, healing all these hidden scars. Quiet moments, gentle air, tell me love is everywhere. Footsteps fading down the road, leaving behind the heavy load. And the rhythm of the night makes the darkness feel alright. Every storm will lose its way, every night will meet the day. So I let the rainfall stay, carry all my fears away. I found my calm within the rain, dancing through the hurt and pain. Every drop heals something deep, singing tired hearts to sleep. In the shadows